Let's take the cable and measure approximately 2 centimeters from the end of the cable and cut off the cover. Then cut the transparent fibers that you see. After this, separate and straighten all the other wires that exist. Next step is to put the wires like in the diagram on the right side. Cut the wires in 2 to 3 millimeters less the size of the connector. Important is to cut the wires evenly. Then, put the wires in the connector. Before continue, check outside the connector that all wire ends are visible. Put the connector inside the 8-pin hole of the crimper and push both the wire and the crimper until they end. Then, do the same in the other end of the cable with the other connector. Important is to know that Cat 5e connectors include smaller holes than Cat 6 connectors, and each of them requires different cable.